Hi guys, Celai here back with another video. So today we are going to be making a melt and pour soap. So here we have loaf mold, and then we are going to be using some shea butter soap, and we're going to be cutting them into pieces. And all right, let's get started. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Do I have to get the, what's it called?
Turn it upside down. Turn it upside down.
So depending on what soap you use, it'll either be in one big chunk or in sections. So the one that we got has big like chunks. So we are going to be splitting those into 4 sections. We are also only using half of the soap because we only want to make 5 bars, not 10. So each row has 4 cubes, and they're like the size of ice cubes, and we're going to be splitting those into 4 sections to make them easier to melt. This is the pitcher that we're going to be melting our soap in. Now we put all of the cubes in the pitcher. Ooh, whoa. Sorry. Thank you. I feel like we should do 2 at a time. 2 things at a time. Put it in the microwave for 30 seconds at a time. So while the soap is heating up, we are going to be adding some Bentonite clay and glycerin to this. Yeah. Like this much? Okay. Is that it? One more? Okay. How much are we adding of this?
A little bit, just to make sure it's wet.
Is that good? I'm gonna mix it up and make sure that there are not any dry spots left. Yeah, don't be shy, put some more. Thank you. Oh, okay.
Use the knife.
I probably should have added more glycerin to make it thinner because we had a problem breaking up the clumps at the bottom of the soap. I feel like it's only gonna see chunks, and I think it's really gonna mix. Alright, so this is what it looks like. I'm gonna just stir it up a little bit. Oh, ho, ho. Yeah. Looks like milk. Alright. So we're gonna add some fragrance. We're gonna add some lavender oil and some tea tree oil. Okay. So I'll just start with this because I had it in my hand. Okay. How many drops?
and put more. Take a shot.
Okay. Now with the lavender. Huh?
I just does one drop at a time.
Okay, so yeah, I don't know.
Take the sound out. Is it strong enough?
Yeah. Excuse my dog. We had to take out the sound because he was hecka thirsty. Anyways. You could use as much or as little fragrance as you want. We just didn't want ours too overpowering because we wanted my dad to use it. Now it's time to pour, and this is the loaf mold that we'll be using. Can I take this out?
Are we going to sprinkle anything on the bottom? Any oatmeal?
Oatmeal? No, that's nasty. Nobody wants no oatmeal grains on mine.
Yes, they do.
Nobody. I don't want oatmeal grains on me. I'm sorry. I can't. Anything that's not oatmeal grains. You know, oatmeal.
Okay.
Okay, what do you have? I know, but what do you have?
Here I do. So I'm gonna put this closer.
What do you have? Let's put rice in it. Tonight's gonna be. So I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is. That's hibiscus. That's rice. We have some rose petals. What is this? Is this weed? What is this? You can't use this. Then what can you use?
A little bit of charcoal.
Just sprinkle it on the top?
Or in the middle.
In both?
Hmm?
Not in the middle, no. Just do top and bottom.
Okay.
Do you have charcoal? I mean, where?
Yeah, right there. Just go ahead and start pouring.
You gotta tell me how much, okay? Now, the part that I've been waiting for my whole entire life.
You tap the other side.
Oops. So here's a problem with adding powder to your liquid soap. It doesn't quite mix right, so we had to really stir it up. What we have to do next time is pour 90% of the soap and then add the charcoal to the 10% and then swirl it in. Voila! Now spray on some pure alcohol to make sure that you get rid of all the bubbles on the top. And so now we wait. So we let it set overnight, and now it's ready to come out the mold. What I like about the silicone mold is that it peels right off. Ta-da! So this is what it looks like, and we actually got some pretty good swirls in there. And it's time to cut. So we're gonna be using a 10-inch ruler to cut 2 inches to make 5 bars. We were a tiny bit off with the cuts, but that's okay. My dad will take the big ones and we'll just take the small ones. And this is what they look like. Whoops, I'm so clumsy. And they smell good too. So that is how you make your custom melt and pour soap. My dad really loved these, and I'm gonna go and test them out. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you comment down below what type of soap we should do next and what's your favorite. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share. Bye!